Hey, I'm Jake. I did a retreat back in September, and after the retreat I decided to sign up for one of the 90-day courses. And that really helped me to stay focused on my goals and not fall back into old habits and old patterns. And so I got a lot of benefit from that, keeping up, when the doubt starts coming back up, you're dealing with your normal environment, friends, family, and playing all those old stories of who you used to be, and you're kind of committed towards, moving into something new, being on that 90-day and being committed, every single day to freeing yourself from that doubt and that those old habits, procrastination, laziness, or whatever it may be. I found that to be a real benefit. Yeah, when I first signed up for the 90 days, I was working on a lot of different goals, getting into more productivity, getting around more like-minded people, and throughout the 90-day course, being kind of, for whatever the reasons may be, just being open to that possibility, maybe not falling back into thinking those kind of things were impossible for me and being stuck. I found myself moving more and more and more into, this new story, I guess is what you would call it. On the 90-day course, I would recommend it to people who find themselves, they want to move into new goals or a new way of living their life, yet they find themselves moving into old habits, and really, being involved in that 90-day course, and you put this, commitment into it, kind of keeps you on task and not falling back into what I would call limiting beliefs.